you look at all the refrigerators made today, they all have the same issue. The drip shelf is nice and smooth, and it looks great in the showroom, but once you start using it, you'll get water drips all over the shelf. You end up constantly wiping it down, and if you got kids, don't count on them helping out. Some models like Whirlpool and Kenmore even leave a nasty drip down the front of the fridge. But an easy solution for all of this. 3D printed drip trays are available for many different fridge models. They conveniently attach with magnets that adhere to your drip shelf so you can quickly take them in and out. I have trays for many popular brands, and new ones come in all the time. You can find them all on my Etsy shop at pacificshamrock.etsy.com. Love your fridge again.